5:30 a.m. Daig ng maagap ang masipag, diba? We're taking the beast, this thing. We got a whole crew and we're going to where? Baler? Baler? I've heard that word Baler just because it means like Baloo. Becky's always used that word, but kumusta?
Hello!
Hi, Sanggol. What's up?
Hi!
Hi! Morning!
Kumusta, Chongo? Kumusta? Uy! Anong Uy! Anong ginagawa niyo? There's a monkey on my head. Chong and Chongo. Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Chongo? Do you want to make kuto-kuto? Parang head massage to. Bye, Chongo. Bye. Oy, selfie! Selfie pa more. Hi, my name's Chongo. Look, I'm Will Dasovich, and today we are going to Baler. I'm the... Oy! So we're here in the XLT. It's supposed to fit 11 people. But syempre dito sa Pilipinas, we pack it as much as we can. Sulit-sulitin, so we got 20 heads in this. Akalain mo yan, look at that. It's a full party. What's up, party people? What's up? Right here? How are we gonna do it? I guess I'm sitting right here.
No, this is for my back.
5 hours. We can do it. Sleep and we gotta get creative. I don't know if this is gonna work. I might fly out the window. Ah! It works. I just let go. Good night.
Yang hiya naman talaga kami sa'yo, Will.
2 hours later.
Malapit na daw. Here na. Lolo! Lolo!
No, you have to suffer because we suffered already.
Good morning, people. Alright, that's the most sleep I've got in the last like 2 days. So, nandito na daw tayo sa Baler. Baler. Check it out, party people. Kumusta all the tao? That's the first time I've ever seen a woman tricycle driver.
Even 8-year-old drive tricycles.
Kumusta, Chong? Hala! Importante talaga to in any really long road trip. You need the chichirya and the pandesal, diba?
Yeah, that's why you should buy.
here. Chong, hawak. Oops. Woo! Nandito na tayo sa Baler. Baler. Kumusta pare?
I'm good.
Mga pare! Kumusta? Hey, rock and roll. How was the trip? Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Buhay pa kayo? Ikaw, kumusta?
Okay pa naman.
Kuya Matakaw. Ay, hindi pala.
Ayun yung matakaw. Ayun. Ito.
Ay, ikaw si Kuya Matakaw. You can eat more than me. Akalain mo yan. I kind of like the look. Isn't that the style, right? Ripped pants? But no, that just means, yeah, we've been going ham this whole trip. We don't stop, people. If your clothes don't look like that when you're having fun, then you're not really having fun. Right, Chong?
Yeah.
He had one too many drinks last night. Kumusta ang mga bata? Anong chinitsubog mo? Pengi. Oh, she's really gonna give me the food. Salamat. Thank you, but I don't need the food.
Anong bibilhin mo? Anong bibilhin mo? O, bigyan mo din siya o si ate. O, bigyan mo si ate.
Ayaw? Uy, bakit puti yung sanggol? Mas puti to sa akin. Ala. Ay, antayin niyo kami! Bye! Nice to meet you, mga bata. Machongo sa bubong. Here in Baler, it's official. So, nandito na tayo sa Baler, and it is all our first times here. It's even their first time, kasi they're all from Pangasinan.
Dapat mas planking ka dyan.